Hello everyone, today again looked like it was going to be a little crazy. The babies and their furry companions decided to try their tiny hands at cooking in the big kitchen. It was a whirlwind of flour explosions and slippery egg mishaps as they attempted to follow, or ignore, recipes. Despite the chaotic mess and numerous dropped ingredients, their determination paid off. Eventually, they created some surprisingly delicious treats and shared them with happy giggles, having a wonderfully fun time as little culinary adventurers. Suddenly, the babies found themselves immersed in a gigantic, vibrant ball pit. This time, without their pets, they joyfully plunged into a sea of countless colorful spheres. They dove deep beneath the surface, playfully buried each other, and launched cheerful volleys of bouncy balls across the pit. Their delighted laughter echoed through the soft, yielding space, creating a fantastic and utterly colorful adventure filled with pure, unadulterated baby fun. By surprise, the babies were playing happily at home. They suddenly noticed something peculiar in their reflections. They were all pink. Though their skin hadn't changed, their imaginations soared. They excitedly dressed in pink clothes and playfully painted their patient pets pink too. They spent the afternoon having a wonderfully silly and creatively imaginative day, embracing their pinkness as a unified, color-coordinated group of friends and furry pals, their laughter echoing through their brightly colored home. It was the pinkest, most fun surprise ever. Suddenly, the familiar house was transformed into an extraordinary wonderland filled with soft, fluffy white foam. The babies and their ecstatic pets were absolutely overjoyed by this unexpected bubbly paradise. They spent the entire time gleefully playing in the light, airy foam, building magnificent foam mountains, sporting hilarious foam beards, and embarking on a super fun and wonderfully foamy adventure together, their happy babbles filling the air. But what is happening? Without a logical explanation, the babies had mysteriously grown into enormous giants. The entire city stretched out below them like a detailed, miniature toy set. They had an absolutely blast exploring their newfound massive size, marveling at how tiny everything looked from their towering perspective, while their parents gazed upwards in utter amazement at their colossal companions. It was a truly giant and unforgettable adventure. Without expecting it in the slightest, soft, white snowflakes began to fall gently outside. The babies, bundled in their warmest clothes and mittens, rushed out into the magical, transforming world. They joyfully threw handfuls of the cold, fluffy snow at each other, their happy squeals filling the crisp air. They carefully lay down to make perfect snow angel shapes, their little bodies leaving imprints in the fresh powder. Working together with tiny mittened hands, they built a charming, slightly lopsided snowman, complete with button eyes and a twiggy smile. It was an incredibly fun and wonderfully snowy day for all the little adventurers.